Hello everyone, today we're diving into the versatile toolset with Drill, a 108-piece cordless drill household power tools set designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This set features a powerful 16.8 volts lithium driver, equipped with a large 3/8-inch keyless chuck for superior bit retention and a 3-in-1 working mode that includes screw driving, drilling, and impact drilling, with variable speeds ranging from 0 to 350 rpm to 0-1350 rpm and 18+1 position settings. The high-performance drill comes with a 1,500 mAh Li-ion battery, ensuring you never run out of power mid-project, and the battery is both easy to change and charge. Designed with an ergonomic anti-slip grip handle made of soft rubber, it fits comfortably in your hand, and the trigger delay LED work light provides illumination for 10 seconds after releasing the trigger, perfect for dark spaces. All tools in this set meet safety specifications, ensuring durability and reliability without the worry of damage or breakage during use. Remember to fully charge the drill driver before your first use to maximize its efficiency. Lastly, this portable tool set is easy to carry, making it ideal for use around the house, at work, or outdoors, and it comes with a quality guarantee for lasting strength and satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.